G'day guys, Beanie here. Welcome once again. Before our Dirk Hartog Island trip in a week, we managed to get out on a cold September day for a catch and cook with Risey and the gang in his new Genesis boat on its maiden voyage. Enjoy. Good morning, welcome to another episode. And today's episode we have Flavia. She finally gets to come out for a journey. It's a bit of a dark and stormy day, but we're going to come out, and Risey's got his new boat, so we've got to come out and christen it, even though the weather isn't the best, but at least the wind isn't blowing as bad as it was meant to be, so we're out having a fish.
Having a spot of lunch.
Grab that net, babe. Yeah. 60. 61 I'd even make it. Sweet. Woo! Very first Sambo. 61 centimeters, so shut up, I'm filming.
It's not with you.
You can hang up on me.
Bye.
What'd you do to me?
Alrighty, first Sambo I've ever caught, so he's only just sized 61 centimeter. They need to be 60, so happy days. We are eating fish wraps for lunch. Cheers. Woo! Alright, so the key was just had to stop drift fishing. It's just too windy to drift fish, and we've decided to anchor up, burley up, and it's just paid off. So yeah, we've got some fish for lunch. We might raft up with Risey's boat over there in the estuary there, and cook up some mean Sambo wraps. Got something. It's only small though. Very, very small. Little pinky. Wow. Oh, if we can get little pinky, if we can get a bigger one of him, I'll be so happy. Here he goes. Right, we just cruised over to Risey, see how he's doing. Looks like, I think he's lost a couple of skippy, or he's caught a couple of skippy or something.
He's got done again.
Stop losing him.
What, did you see it in your sounder?
Yeah, it's pretty roughed up, the ground. Go, son.
Skip Grippy on like here. It's saying there's fish all over the sounder, eh? That's good bait.
Oh,
Do you want to...
Lemon spice.
Have you?
Yeah, lemon pepper.
What is that?
That's the tip bait. Yeah. Well guys, fresh wraps, only caught about 2 hours ago. Fed 5 people, so how good was that? Cheers. Anyways guys, that wraps up another day, another adventure. Sambo wraps were absolutely on point. We're just cruising back to the jetty now and we're going to cruise back. Clive has to work early in the morning, so cruise back, hopefully get back before the sun goes down, and we'll see you on another adventure very, very shortly. Like, subscribe if you want to see more. Cheers guys.